through. Now if you take notice, I've done
Yeah, that's right.
all of that.
Yeah.
See?
Beautiful.
Right?
That's gorgeous.
So we need to create another corner. You get rid of these little bits.
That's already the board.
It's on the board there now,
Oh,
see?
yeah.
Chop them
Oh,
off.
yeah. Chop 'em off.
Yeah.
That's a tail.
Right? Yep. And it's all in fill on here. We say about 7 or 8 because this is thick. If you've
Yeah.
only got half, you only may need a couple of stitches, but it's over, under, and bring it up through like we first started off with.
Yep.
And this is to create the next corner.
Yep.
Over and under.
I know.
Remember over, under, and bring it up. And it's all in fill, like I said, how thick.
Now,